Hello dear students, in this class I will be explaining about computation of DFT by three methods, that is first one is direct method or formula method, second one is DIT method and third one is DIF method. Okay, let us start the problem. The given question is compute 2-point DFT of the given sequence x of n, where x of n is equal to 1, 2 using direct method, DIT and DIF. By the end of the solution, we will be understanding how to solve by a formula method, DIT and DIF. Let us start the solution. So, first we will start with the direct method. Direct method or other name of direct method is formula method. The formula method is, you have to write the equation of DFT. When DFT is applied to discrete time sequence x of n, we get capital X of k. What is the formula of x of k? We write it as DFT of x of n is equal to x of k, which is equal to summation small n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e to the power of minus j 2 pi k n by capital N. What is capital N value here? It is 2 because it is a 2-point DFT. So, capital N is equal to 2. What is k ranging from? K is ranging from 0 to n minus 1, which is equal to 0 to 2 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 1. So, k values are 0 and 1. So, we need to compute x of 0 and x of 1. Okay, we have to compute x of 0 and x of 1. So, what is the formula of x of k? Let us write it now after by substituting capital N. X of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to capital N value is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. X of n e to the power of minus j 2 pi k n by capital N. Capital N is how much? 2. So, we can write it as summation n is equal to 0 to 1 x of n e to the power of minus j pi k n. 2 get cancelled. So, expand the summation now. For small n is equal to 0 to 1, it will be, first substitute n is equal to 0 in this equation. X of 0, small n value is 0. So, e to the power of 0 plus x of 1. Now, substitute n value is 1, x of 1 e to the power of minus j pi k n value is how much? 1. So, you can write like this. What is x of 0 value? X of n is given as 1, 2. So, this is x of 0 and this is x of 1. So, here what is x of 0 value now? 1. E to the power 0 value is how much? 1. E to the power 0 is 1 plus x of 1. X of 1 is 2. E to the power of minus j pi k. It is written as 1 plus 2. Expand this in terms of cos and sine. Cos pi k plus, as it is minus, here it will come minus j sin pi k. Okay. So, this is x of k. What we have to find now? X, capital X of 0, capital X of 1. So, when k is equal to 0, we will find x of 0. Now, substitute k value as 0 in this equation. 1 plus 2 cos of 0 minus j sin of 0. How much it will come? Cos 0 is 1. So, it will come as 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Sin 0 is 0. Now, so what does it mean? X of 0 value is how much now? 3. Now find for k is equal to 1. For k is equal to 1, x of 1 is equal to 1 plus 2. Now substitute k value as 1. Cos pi minus j sin pi. How much it will come? Cos pi is minus 1. 1 plus 2. Sin pi is 0. So it will come as minus 1. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, implies x of 1 is equal to minus 1. So now we got x of 0 and x of 1. So finally we can write capital X of k is equal to capital X of 0 comma capital X of 1, which is equal to 3 comma minus 1. So this is a solution of direct method. X of k is equal to 3 comma minus 1. Now let us see the second method, DIT method. So 2-point DIT. So for solving this problem, we have to know the butterfly. So first draw the butterfly diagram of DIT. In a DIT, the butterfly is at the starting, as it is a 2-point, its Twiddle factor is W2 to the power of 0. Here the variables are, input values are x of 0, x of 1. What you have to find? What is capital X of 0 and what is capital X of 1 we have to find. The upper line is carrying 1, the lower line is carrying minus 1. And what is the value of W2 to the power of 0? It is coming to be as e to the power of minus j 2 pi k, k is 0 by capital N. 2 is how, capital N is 2. It is equal to e to the power 0, which is coming to be as 1. So the Twiddle factor we have computed for 2-point DIT, W2 to the power 0 is coming to be as 1. What is x of 0 value? In the question it is given as 1. X of 1 value is given as 2, because our sequence here is x of n is equal to 1 comma 2. The given question is 1 comma 2. So we have kept the input values 1, 2. The Twiddle factor is the beginning of the second line. Now we have to find this equation. What is the equation here of DIT? A plus b Wn to the power k. A is 1. 1 plus 2 W2 to the power of 0. How much it will come? This value is 1. So it will come as 3. Now compute this one. The equation of the bottom line is a minus b Wn to the power k. So it will be 1 minus 2 W2 to the power 0. W2 to the power 0 value is 1. So it will come as 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So in DIT, what is the final equation answer now? X of k is equal to capital X of 0 comma capital X of 1, which is coming to be as 3 comma minus 1. Now let us see for DIF. For DIF, that is for the same question we will see that, let us say it is a third method, DIF, 2-point DIF. What is the full form of DIF? Decimation in time. What is x of n given here? 1 comma 2. So first step for solving DIF problem is you have to draw the butterfly. Draw the butterfly. X of 0, x of 1, input are designated by small variables and output variables are designated by capital variables, capital X of 0, capital X of 1, and the Twiddle factor here is W2 to the power of 0 written at the end of the bottom line. W2 to the power 0, upper line is carrying 1, the lower line is carrying minus 1. X of 0 value is how much? 1. x of 1 value is 2. So 1 and 2 are the inputs. Twiddle factor is W2 to the power of 0, which we have already computed. What is a W2 to the power of 0 value? It is coming to be as 1. In DIF, what are the output equations? X of 0 equation, what it is? A plus B, 1 plus 2 is coming to be as 3. For what is the output equation of the bottom line? X of 1, A minus B whole multiplied by the twiddle factor. So 1 minus 2 whole multiplied by W2 to the power 0. So W2 to the power 0 value is 1. So 1 minus 2, 1. So x of 1 value is coming to be as minus 1. X of 1 value is coming to be as minus 1. So coming to DIF, what is x of k now? X of k is equal to x of 0 comma capital X of 1, which is coming to be as 3 comma minus 1. Okay. So what is the conclusion here? We have seen the three methods. One is formula method or direct method. We are getting the answer 3 comma minus 1, and coming to DIT, we are getting the answer as 3 comma minus 1, and for DIF we got the answer as 3 comma minus 1. So what is the conclusion here? Here the given sequence x of n is 1 comma 2. When you are done using direct method, what is x of k coming as 3 comma minus 1, and when you are doing by DIT method, x of k is coming to be as 3 comma minus 1, and when you are doing by DIF method, x of k value is coming to be as 3 comma minus 1. So you can compute DFT by any of these three methods, by formula method, DIT or DIF. The answer will be same. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, post in the comments. Thank you. Good luck, students.